Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Now eBay dropshipping is a very simple business where you list products you don't even own, okay, on your eBay store, and if someone purchases the item from you, you go to AliExpress and you purchase that exact item, okay, and then AliExpress ships the product directly to the customer. Like instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer and AliExpress ships the product directly to the customer. This is exactly how like dropshipping works. Like I'm going to call this, for example, this plus, this is like AliExpress, okay, I'm going to call it A, and eBay I'm going to call it like negative, okay, as you can see, negative, and I'm going to call it B, okay. So on AliExpress, you go to AliExpress, you find the winning product that you want to list on your eBay, you list it on your eBay, okay. So you go to AliExpress, which is A, you find the product, you list it on your eBay store, and if someone buys the product, like it say this like person, okay, went to your eBay store and they purchased the item. Now you don't even own that item, you only took the images, like the title from AliExpress, and you list that item on your eBay. Now if someone buys that product from you, what you do guys in this case is you go to AliExpress, you find that exact same item, you put there the address of the customer that purchased the item from you on eBay instead of your address, okay. That's exactly, it's a very simple business, and they have been doing this business, I would say, like 5 years, and there are months where I did like some crazy numbers. Of course I had some problems with my account, like I got banned, I would say, like 2 times because I didn't know exactly how this business works. Now I have like a lot of experience because I have tried multiple times to dropship from like different e-commerce websites like Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's. Now in this video I'm actually going to show you guys all my experience, so how you can avoid getting banned and how you can make this business profitable, okay. So to dropship guys from AliExpress to eBay, it's the same. It's like they are dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. It's all the same strategy. All you need to do is to find unique products. Now the strategy I use and a lot of people, successful dropshippers, use is to find products that are proven to work on eBay. So what I do guys is I go to AliExpress, I find a random product. I don't really care what the product is, like how it looks like. I just want to see if other dropshippers on eBay are selling the exact same product. Now for example, let's click on these t-shirts or this phone or whatever. Let's just click on this product. As you can see, these like panda beer, whatever they call them. Okay, so as you can see, this is the product. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Now the price here from AliExpress is $13, and this product has 2,000 sales on AliExpress, but that doesn't mean this is a good product, okay. That doesn't mean I should I should list this product just because this product has 2,000 sales on AliExpress, because I don't know if buyers on eBay are interested in this product or not. So what you need to do is to search for other dropshippers if they are selling this product and see if they are getting some sales or on their listings. Now I'm going to do that right now. Copy the title, go to eBay, okay. I'm going to go to eBay right now. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of people that are selling the exact same product. This one is from United States. He is selling the exact same product, but his location is from United States. That means he is not dropshipping, so you don't really need to click on their listing. If you can see here, United States on their listing, okay, because these people are not dropshippers, okay. So here it says Hong Kong, which is like China. You want to click on the listing, and as you can see here, guys, this product has 10 sold, okay. It says here 10 sold, which is it got like 10 sales, okay. He listed the product and it got 10 sales. That means this product is proven to work. People actually want to buy this product on eBay, and that's really a good sign. So I have to list the exact same product. I always look for 3 to 10 sales, okay, before listing the product. So what you guys need to do is to start listing the product, okay. You want to download an extension that helps you download images from AliExpress, and this extension, it's called AliSave, okay. It's like, just search for AliSave Chrome extension, and you want to download this extension. Click on add to Chrome, click again on add to Chrome. Now whenever you open a product on your AliExpress account, you will see this new bar here which says main images. Click on it. Now if you click on main images, then you will be able to download all these images from AliExpress. Now what you guys need to do is to list these products on your eBay store. Okay, so you will need to list these products on your eBay store because it's proven to work and it has 10 sales. Keep in mind that you don't have to copy the title of AliExpress seller because this title is not proven to work on eBay. So the only thing you should copy from eBay seller is the title. Anything else you need to copy it from AliExpress, including the description, the item specifications, like as you can see, like model number, like warning, keep away from fire, failing, like the size, which is yeah, that's exactly what you need to do. You just need to copy the eBay title, that's it, and then click on sale in the top or in the top here. Of course, you need to add your Pioneer account. You need to connect your Pioneer with eBay. Click on list item and then start listing the product. Now you just need, after you enter here the product, you want to click like it's just like for example this one, and the item, the condition is new, and here you need to start listing the product. Add the images here. I'm going to do that right now. Downloads. So just need to add here the images. Okay, that's all you need to do is to add here images of the product. Now these are not the images, but I don't know the file where it's located, so we don't have time for to look for the file because I want to show you guys just an example, guys, about how you can start this business. Now as you can see, this is the item located, the item title. Okay, you need to, like I said, the title should be from eBay seller, and the description and the item specifications you need to look for them on AliExpress. Okay, just go to the AliExpress listing and scroll down and click on specifications, and here you will find all the things you need. Like product name, the product material, the product size. Okay, you will find everything here, and you need to add them here. The product color, you need to add multi-color here because the product has multiple colors. The description, you want to add here the description, and that's it. Okay, that's exactly. Now if someone, for example, returns this item, wants to return this item, you do the exact same thing. You go to AliExpress, you open a dispute, and yeah, that's it. All you do, guys, is just talk to the supplier on AliExpress, explain to them that you want to return the item or you want a refund because the item is damaged, and you will refund you guys, and then you do the exact same thing. You refund the buyer on eBay. Okay, that's exactly how this business works. It's actually a very simple business. Like if you don't understand anything on this video, click the video in the screen. I explained in that video every single thing you need to know about how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay, like everything you need to know. Okay, I actually showed you guys even how you can link your bank account to your eBay, and so that you can receive payments. Okay, so if this one, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.